All right, today I'm going to be working on gold gilding on this piece. It's been painted, it's been glazed, and it's been sealed. So at this point, it is ready for the gilding. I'm going to be using this Creative Concepts, and it's the gold gilding. It's got 25 pieces in it. I got that at Hobby Lobby. And then I've got the Modge Podge Satin. It's a water-based sealer glue. So I'm going to use that since this is water-based paint, water-based sealant, and felt like this would be a good match for that. And I've just got myself a little sponge here because I don't like the look of the gold gilding just going in a straight line. I really like it broke up, so I'm hoping this will help me with that. I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm just gonna kind of pour a little bit on here. It doesn't really say how much to put on there, so I'm just gonna apply a healthy amount. I'm gonna start, ooh, that might be a lot. Maybe we should spread this out a little bit too. Don't want it all clumped up. Look at this stuff, it's so cool. It's like tinfoil. At this point, I realized that basically the glue just needed to be a little bit tacky, but it did not take 15 to 20 minutes at all. It took more like 5 seconds. Then I applied the gold gilding, and it worked better with my fingers than the brush, in my opinion. So I guess it still needs to be tacky with this Mod Podge glue for it to stick properly. So that's good to know. But it can be used, so let's get some more glue on there. I'm just going to take some clear varnish and go over it. Once it's on there and you've kind of swept away some of the debris, you just go over it like this. All around where you did it so that it just blends in there and it's protected. And it lasts a long time. This is a water-based varathane, which is also what I use to seal my paint on this piece. So, thank you for watching.